A Port Dover couple who contracted COVID-19 on a cruise ship earlier this year are watching anxiously as the numbers in Canada continue to rise. The couple defied the odds for their age, making it through the virus without experiencing any symptoms, but are still concerned about catching it again.
Initially, it was just that feeling of disbelief and unreality. And as time went by, especially when we finally got home, it kind of tended to sink in that, yeah, this was real.
Rosie Erickson and her husband Greg were on the Diamond Princess cruise ship off the coast of Japan when COVID-19 started spreading throughout the ship in February. The two seniors both contracted the deadly virus and were hospitalized in Japan until they both had 2 negative COVID tests. They were able to return home to Port Dover in March. Throughout the entire ordeal, the couple were asymptomatic, meaning they had the virus but none of the side effects.
We'd met people on board the boat who had also tested positive and had a not as nice a reaction. They did have symptoms.
At 66 and 69, Rose and Greg fit into a vulnerable demographic, but doctors still don't understand why some people get sick from the virus while others don't.
Is people with underlying conditions, chronic health conditions, are more at risk. Children do not seem to be seriously affected in general. But we're still learning. What are the factors that make somebody more susceptible to a serious infection?
14 passengers on board their ship died from COVID-19, so Rose gets frustrated when she sees people not taking the virus seriously.
We haven't really seen anything like our parents did in terms of the Depression, the World Wars. Our grandparents went through that too. They went through the Spanish flu, the turn of the 1900s. We've been so fortunate. This, in comparison, is nothing.
And Rosie Erick says she'd be willing to give her blood to scientists if it helps find a COVID vaccine, but she says nobody has asked her to.